Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this wireless portable charger. This is a magnetic power bank with 6,700 milliamp with a 20-watt fast charging MagSafe. Alright, so right here we got our fast charger MagSafe power bank. They do offer it in two different sizes. This is the mini, and they have also offered it in the 10,000 milliamp. So the mini has the 6,700 milliamp battery. This one here is good for all the iPhones that has magnetic connection. So this works for the iPhone 14, 14 Plus, Pro, Max, the 14 Pro Max, 13, 13 Pro Max, 12, and 12 Pro Max, and so on. So let's go ahead and go in here. So this is a 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger, power bank, and foldable stand. So first off, you do get a user manual. This basically just tells you how to use it. So it is a Mag & Go Tech Snap It Strong Magnetic attachment. So it'll attach to your phone. It's slim, portable, and soft. It's got a card size and not block the camera. So right here is the MagSafe charger. You can see it's really tiny. So it is designed for the iPhone 14, 13, and 12 series. And here at the bottom is a Type-C. This is where you will charge it. It's definitely got a slim design, which is big and powerful, with 6,700 milliamp, which is the same size, larger capacity. So this does have a kickstand, so you can hold it up. So for best results, you use this power adapter with at least a 12-watt output, which is not included. So you just stick it to the back of your phone like this. Sorry, my case is a little different. So these are the display bars, tells you how much battery is left in this power bank. So there's one for charging, and all the green ones basically means it's completely full. You can see right here I have to block the light. So it is heat generated is totally common case when wireless charging, as energy is lost and converted into heat and it dissipates. This is a normal occurrence if it feels a little hot when charging, so you don't have to worry about it. See, my case right here kind of blocks a little bit of it, so you just put it where the magnetic charges, and you can see that it's charging right now. And at the top you can see the battery. It says it's charging right there. So the battery's at 38. So the great thing about this is it does have the kickstand, so you can charge it with it sitting up, or you can charge it with it laying down. So with a USB to C to USB-C cable, which is included, it supports 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts, 15-watt devices, and 20-watt USB-C output charges. This magnetic charge for iPhone provides up to 7.5 watts of maximum power. See, it also works when you put it sideways. Mine is having a little difficulty because the case that I have here, it makes it a little difficult. But if you don't have a case, or if it's a little different case than this one here, it should have no problems. You can see as soon as I get it right into place, it'll still continue to charge it. And it's got this little kickstand right here on the side. So the 20-watt fast charging, it does charge it really quickly. By using the 20-watt USB-C port, you can fast charge your iPhone 14 Pro to 50% in just as little as 30 minutes. So it's sleek and small. It's easy to put in your pocket. You can see how thin it is. It's not super thin, but it is nice. And this is a 20 watt. So if you're looking for a nice fast charger, I would highly recommend checking this one out.